Hi all and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for a nighttime Anfield Road expansion update. We are now 6 days away from the test event, which is on the 11th. Just going to get the drone closer. So we'll have a nice look inside. Because we must be getting some movement in here now. Just make sure I'm clearing trees and stuff, then I'll have a good look. I want to see if you can see any change to stuff. Because as someone said, they'll be working on the day of the opening. Let me get into cine mode just so I'll fly a bit slower and safer. Yeah, there's a lot more happens in there. There's like registers and that have gone in. Just have a slow pan across. Yeah, so people said in the last video that they'll be working right up to the day. There's stuff that they can do on the day of, you know, it opening, so there's not a massive, let me get a little bit higher. There's not a massive panic over it. Let's have a look inside this one here. Just so we're away from them red dots, that's all, we can see better. Yeah, they look like tills, don't they? But they weren't there last week. It's all the faces that that looks a lot better as well from last week. Because I'm thinking like the faces need to be in for it to be looking ready, but they can go in on the day, you know. I'll get a little bit higher and we'll look down at the floor. Now I think this wine concentrate on this Concourse is, I think this would be the only one in use. I don't think that lower one will be. Yeah, so I've got tickets to go to this test event. I've actually got spare tickets. So I've given Craig from Craig's Adventures one. I've offered one to Wayne, Greybeard Droning. He can't make it. Paul Frost doesn't want to go. I've offered him one. Mr. Drone might be going. He's got something important on that day, which I'm not going to share on here. But he's got something very important on that day. So if he can get back in time from what he's doing, he will make it basically. But I've got some spare tickets. So if anyone wants to come with us, comment and let me know if you want a ticket. I'll just pick a few random that can come along with us. Okay, just meet us outside the grounds and then we'll sort of take it from there. So if you want to come to the test event, let me know. See, this is I think this is a bit further away from being ready. So all the action is going to be on that. Top concourse, if you like. Just with it being dark, I'm just keeping my wits about me. You never know. Yeah, so I'll get round the sides and we'll have a look right down the concourse then, from one end to the other. Bring it down, touch and have a look inside that window. Yeah, more tills are in there. They definitely weren't there last week when I come. I'll be doing a daytime one as well because I'll see if I can see it at night, but I also will be able to. the crest has started going up on the side. I did get told, but I was busy. It's submissions week in university this week, so I'm getting all my uni work done. I've still got quite a bit to get done. They've got to be in by Friday, so. And it's a bit gutting because this is going to be one of the last days that we're here. Doing the expansion update because it's nearly there. After the 11th, there's not going to be any aerial footage to be done. Just seeing what I can see as I go around, guys. So just bear with me on this one. So we can. Yeah, it's not a major. Okay. Let's just try and move a touch while I'm zoomed in. Yeah, just making sure I'm not missing anything, that's all. This is the one. So what can we see? Done like a little table. That can't be a little table. That's pointless. Don't know what that is. As you can see from one end to the other. Take it up a touch. Get that bar out the way. Oh, it's a better look in it. Bit more better view. Yeah, so you can see from one end to the other. It's still looking a tad untidy, but they've got 6 days to get it all done. I'll be down here. I don't know when, tomorrow or not. Because they are doing a lot of work on the outside, which they need to do. They need to get that ready for the test event as well. Everything's got to be tested. Entrance, exit, the lot, got to be tested. Yeah, just have a look at the site, mate. Oh, yeah, just got the drone up, that's all. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, nice one, mate. Yeah, I think it was security asking me questions. He was sound, he was alright. Right, let me come back now. But that's about as much as we're going to see inside. How do you see through it all at night? I don't think they are they? Just plexiglass. Nah, a little bit. So I'll get the drone round to the other side, just get a bit of height. Don't worry, this bit will be cut out. And yeah, you can't see the crest on that side, unfortunately. So yeah, sorry about that. I will drop it down a touch here though. And have a little zoom in on this window. Not much. It's all what we've seen, really. It's pretty symmetrical, as they say. Yeah, so I'll leave it there, guys. If you want to come to a test event, let me know in the comments. I'll be giving some tickets away. Well, people can come in with me. I can't give the tickets away because they'll be on my phone, so I'll just scan you in and we can all have a look around together. Just having a look around there. Let's get some height and have a look inside the grounds. Looks great at night, doesn't it? Yeah, so if you want to come along, let me know in the comments or contact me on Instagram as well. I'm contactable on Instagram if you want to come along. It's definitely me and Craig at the moment and maybe Mr. Drone. Paul Frost doesn't want to go and Greybeard can't go. Okay? Nice to leave there, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like the channel, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. Everything's slowed down. You know, people are probably getting fed up of seeing the site anyway, you know what I mean? So, yeah. But I'm moving on to new and better things. Well, newer things. So, what could be better than watching this getting built, if I'm being honest. But yeah, moving on to different things. Going to try a lot of different stuff. So if you like it, subscribe to the channel. Comments are always replied to and likes are always appreciated, guys. So yeah, thanks a lot. Thanks for all the support that everyone's given me from day one. The ones that have been here from day one. I really appreciate it. And as always, look after yourselves and speak to you all soon. Bye now.